physically separated from each other for obvious reasons.
Yes.
So when you touch your washing machine or your dryer or something that has a ground connection on it, when you touch that piece of metal, well, that ground wire connects to the neutral wire in the circuit breaker box, and the neutral wire connects to the hot wires through the windings of the transformer and the other loads. So you have a metallic mass in your neighborhood of all the wires on the poles, everybody else's grounded appliances, and all that metal in your neighborhood. And when you put your hand on your dryer, you are electrically connected to that extent, which is pretty well neutralized because it doesn't connect to the high side, and there's lots of ground rods around, and it's kept just to one neighborhood. So what they're doing now is they're bypassing the transformers. This was actually something started by the Rural Electrification Administration a long, long time ago. Very bad engineering practice, mainly for being used out in the sticks and at a time when there was no harmonics in the power system, because the loads were just motors and incandescent lamps, which don't generate harmonics. So now they bypass that. So when you put your hand on your washing machine, you are metallically connected to all the high voltage lines, everything going all the way back to the substation. So now what they're doing is they're bypassing the transformers at the substation. So in a situation like here, in this particular part of Nevada, and with this utility company, NV Energy, when you touch the ground terminal on your wall outlet, you are physically held onto the grid. So now what would happen if there was a nuclear MP or a lightning strike or whatever when that happened? Well, you take the bite, and all your appliances take the bite.